Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
If the Microsoft Store shows there has been an error, start with a reset. Open Settings and Apps, find Microsoft Store, then choose Advanced Options. Tap Reset to clear corrupted app data and local cache. Next, open Start and run WS Reset, exe to flush the store cache and trigger a fresh connection. After the reset, open the store and sign out of your account. Sign back in to ensure licensing and purchases sync correctly. If resetting does not work, check Dependent Services and Network Settings. Press Windows key plus R and run services. MSC, then verify services like WS Service and Windows Update are running. Confirm system time, date, and region are correct because mismatch can block store connections. Temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, and third-party firewalls to rule out interference. If possible, test on a wired Ethernet connection to remove Wi-Fi variables. Restart the PC after changes to apply service and network adjustments. For stubborn errors, reinstall the Microsoft Store using PowerShell commands with admin rights. Run Get Apps Package Microsoft. Windows Store and then Remove Apps Package, followed by Add Apps Package to restore the store. If issues persist, create a new local administrator account to check for profile corruption preventing store access. Run DISM Online Repair and SFC Scan to fix damaged system files before reinstalling. As a final step, perform a Windows update and restart to ensure all components integrate and the store functions normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.